Hi everybody, welcome to another edition of Yo on the Go. Today we'll be talking about why I named this pony car Rocinante. Now, Rocinante is not named after a pony in Don Quixote, but it's actually named after the gunship, which was named after the pony in Don Quixote. Because Don Quixote, of course, was tilting at windmills, going after very grand things that were all in his head, and he was kind of out of his element, right? He's over his head. In many ways, the crew of the Rocinante was like that. They were formerly workhorses. They've been put in a place, outcast from all of their individual societies, and together they were able to bring towards a greater good for the solar system. Now, I'm talking about the Rocinante crew in The Expanse, series 1 through 3. And these key individuals were able to, forge a very fragile peace between Earth and Mars. They were able to stop an alien presence that could consume all of the solar system. They were able to influence and protect and save people along the way and help them understand their dreams and fulfill them. And that's exactly what my desire, my purpose is. I've always had a desire for the greater good. And I'll do so even at my own cost. I think those are the things that resonate with me, and that's why I've named this car Rocinante. That's why we're moving together in this spaceship, so to speak, through Los Angeles to learn more about ourselves, about this machine, how we are a machine, how this machine can teach us about ourselves, but also to make a difference in the world. And I hope that you would make a difference wherever you are, because you're not alone. You're not an outcast. You have a purpose. You need to become more of who you are so that you can be used for that purpose. So I hope this was useful for you. Until next time, bye.